Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys step one of using our app creator. In this video I'm going to show you guys of how to edit the appearance, the features, and the overall functionality of your application. So when you land on the app creator homepage, we're just going to click the pencil for the app you already created, or just create a new application here. Okay, now in this menu we're going to have our preview mode as well as the design feature that we start out with. So here you can pick the template. If I were to click here, I could choose between a number of templates that we have for the appearance of the application. You can pick any one of these that you would like, and also here are all the categories. Here you could change the layout. As you can see, this is just going to be a lot of templates for how these buttons look here, and also some options here. Down here there's some slider options: duration of the slideshow, the position, the opacity of the images, and the image's height. You can work with this here. Down here you can work on the overlay of the home page. Here I have black, but if I were to change it to white, you can see the difference, as well as how the overlay works. You can also download templates of your own right here. And then you can see here there's some status bars if you want to hide on certain devices, as well as your country. And then now all the font families that we have available, and you can save custom fonts if they are Google fonts. Okay, next we can go to colors. Here we can select the background colors, the header color, a bunch of different color options here. For my current setting, I just have a bunch of black and whites, but I could change any one of these that I wanted to, as well as use a multitude of colors here for the customization of how everything appears on the app. Now we can go to the features. The features is what is going to be inside the application here. As you can see, I have audio, which is music files, fan wall, which is a blog, videos, which is like YouTube or Vimeo, and every app comes with a My Account section. Here is a list of all of the features that you can put in your app, and you guys can take the time to look through these as well as apply any of them that you would like. If you guys have any questions or anything regarding how to use certain of these features, I will show you in another video about the modules that we have regarding this. Now we can go to application. The application section here is going to deal with the external appearance, which is the icon that appears on the phone here, your back button, the settings for the Android push notifications, and how to make your splash screen look with an overlay. And then finally here, if we go to the publication area here, this is going to be how you publish your application. Initially, when using our app creator, you will have to pay the $0 fee, which is basically free, to publish one application. And then you can go down here, change the name, the ID and the package names, as well as some settings for monetization. And then down here, just make sure you understand that you generate the source codes here for any one of these if you wish to use an external publishing service. For Apple, for example, for iPhones, you do have to use their publishing service known as Xcode to publish your app with them. But for Android here, if you want to generate a build, this build will be what you can view your app and download your app as. And we all know that Android allows you to just use APK. So this will just generate your Android APK for use directly on an Android phone. And then a couple other things here on the left here. If I wanted to go to my users, this users screen will show me everybody that has used and downloaded my application. As you can see, there are nobody here, but I can create a new user as well. And then for these other features here, please stay tuned for my next couple of videos where I will go over how to use the promotional features and view the analytics, set up some settings, and view the modules. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and please again stay tuned for the next couple of videos in this series of our app creator. Have a great day, guys.